Hi and welcome to WigganRC, and today is an exciting day with our new package that just came, and here it is. It is the new Furibee. Well, it's not new, but it's been out for a little while, but this is my entry level into FPV racing drones. Now this one is a BNF, and I've already got a Spectrum transmitter, which is here. So I'm going to bind this to the drone and yeah, start the fun. So I've had a quick look already in this, and this comes with some couple of sets of props, so we'll try those. I've heard that the Cyclones are really good, so I'll definitely be looking at getting some Cyclone props, but there's some clear ones and some black ones. Put that there, and then here is the main event. So taking this off, so here it is. So this is the Dark Max by Furibee, and I've already put the antenna on, and in the package comes with the Velcro tie for your battery, and the motors here, they're 2550 kV motors, and it already comes with pre-installed flight controllers and so forth, and there's the receiver in there. Now I am a beginner in drones, so I don't want to give the impression that I know what I'm doing quite yet. I've been lucky enough to have a friend called Face from his channel's called Me No Fly, and I'll put a link to his channel in the description. He's going to be giving me my first lesson and also helping me set this up with the Beta Fly. So I'll be doing that. Some great LEDs on the back, and I've got my XT60 batteries on the way. To begin with, I'm just going to use my eFlight 3S 1300 milliamp just to get a feel for the quad. And what I'll do is I'm just going to do line of sight flying to begin with to get used to this, and then take it from there. So there's the camera on the front, and so it's got a little protector on there. Seems a little exposed, especially for the amount of crashing I'm going to do with this, but we're going to see. All the technical information I'll just put in the description and of what it comes with, and then we'll go from there. In the package is also some little tools to attach the props, spare Velcro thing for your battery, some 3M tape, and of course your instructions, which has all the different bits and pieces that you need to use to configure this in beta flight. So there's going to be my DSM2 or DSMX receiver that I'll be using, so we'll put that together. Now Face uses his Fat Sharks, so he's got this set up really well. He's got his two antennas, patch antenna and his other antenna here, so obviously he can switch in between channels to get the best signal. So hopefully I will be upgrading to something like this in the future, but for now I'm just going to be doing line of sight. So let's cut to my first attempt at flying this. I'm going to put the props on, set everything up, and we'll go from there. So here it is completed. I've got the props on there, and antenna. Batteries all strapped in. So a couple of modifications already. I've just heat shrunk some of the cables and put a bit of heat shrink in the middle there, and at the ends I've also cable tied just to keep the antenna from breaking too easy, and you've got to Loctite all of the screws, so that, especially the motor screws, so that none of the screws come out. And already I've just had to change the battery strap just to get something in there a bit more firm, and I've just been practicing with quite a heavy battery. It's a 2700 3S, but just to learn, it's been great. Face has also configured the LED, so you can configure the LEDs, so as you add throttle, the LEDs change color, so you know when you're mid throttle there because it's red, and so forth, and it changes like that, it's like so. So quite a good feature on that. So everything's starting to really come together, so it's time to fly. Okay, we're ready. So this is the maiden flight of the Furibee. So I've got Face here. Hey Face.
Hey, what's up, what's up?
Okay, from me no fly. So we're just going to do line of sight, and I'm just going to do just hovering and get the basics out the way. So this is armed off now.
Yep, that's the one.
Okay, so we're going to plug in the batteries.
Plug in the battery. First 7 seconds, you leave it on the ground.
Yep. Okay.
Relax, stay back. Can do one more punch.
All good. So Face is ready to boogie with his drone.
Yeah.
Oh great, and we've even got a view of everything on this screen. So this is just a Spectrum little screen, so I can check out the FPV view on Face's drone. And he's flying around obstacles like they weren't there. So this is basically what Face sees through his camera. Through the trees. And here joining me on my maiden flight of the Furibee Dark Max, and this thing is incredible. I'm so in love with FPV at the moment and drones. Going to be definitely a hobby that's hard to beat. I've been flying accidentally in acro mode for the first 20 minutes, so I found it very difficult to control. Then realised at a flick of a switch I could be in level flight mode, which was 3 times easier. And this thing is so quick, so responsive, it's unbelievable. The camera is really good quality. I checked out the FPV Fat Shot goggles on Face's set, so thanks a lot to Face for helping me set up, and everything is working beautifully, and I'm so happy that I didn't crash. So thank goodness for that, and I can see why there's such an addiction to FPV, because it is so much fun. So WigganRC signing off with the Furibee Dark Max. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and click the notification button so you get notified when I post new videos, and there's going to be plenty more to come of drones and FPVs. Thanks a lot.